Skin tags and warts can be a nuisance, but what if you could address them naturally and effectively with simple ingredients you likely already have at home? Many people are surprised to learn that getting rid of these skin growths doesn't require expensive treatments or invasive procedures. Instead, there are straightforward remedies that may help remove them in just a matter of days. However, the key to a lasting solution isn't just about removing the growths. It's about understanding the root causes that led to their appearance in the first place. Skin tags and warts can be signals from your body, indicating something deeper that may need your attention. So, in this video we'll explore not only how to remove these growths, but also why they occur and how to prevent them from returning. Let's first take a closer look at skin tags and warts. Both are types of growths, often caused by benign tumors. These tumors are generally harmless and remain localized, but they can appear in various areas of the body, especially on skin folds such as the neck or underarms. Skin tags may also appear in other unexpected spots, like the groin or even the mouth. There's an interesting connection between skin tags and warts and human papillomavirus, HPV, which comprises over 130 strains of the virus. While not all warts are caused by HPV, the virus can often play a role in their development. It's also important to note that some conditions such as diabetes, obesity, and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, can increase the likelihood of developing these growths. This is because these conditions are linked to higher insulin levels and insulin resistance, which can affect cell growth and contribute to the formation of skin tags. So, what's really happening on a cellular level? Skin tags and warts are linked to insulin resistance, where your body's cells aren't responding effectively to insulin. This resistance causes the body to produce more insulin to compensate, which can lead to an overgrowth of skin cells. Additionally, excess estrogen can also contribute to the development of these growths, especially in women, as estrogen plays a role in cell growth. Now that we understand the underlying causes, let's explore how to tackle the issue naturally. One powerful remedy involves two simple ingredients: iodine and garlic. Iodine can help regulate estrogen levels, while garlic contains an active compound known as allicin, which has strong antiviral and anti-cancer properties. Here's what you'll need to do. Start with a small container and add a couple of drops of iodine. Next, crush some fresh garlic to release its juice and mix a few drops into the iodine. Apply this mixture to the affected area with a cotton swab, covering it with a band-aid or tape to keep it in place. Repeat this twice a day for best results, and store the mixture in the fridge to maintain the potency of the garlic. After just a day or two, you may start to notice a reduction in the size of the skin tag or wart. While some people see results quickly, for others, it may take up to 2 weeks for the growths to fully disappear. Remember, consistency is key. Make fresh batches of the mixture each day to ensure you're using the most potent ingredients. While iodine and garlic are effective for many, other remedies such as zinc oxide, apple cider vinegar, or oregano oil may also work. If you don't see any improvement within a week, you might want to try alternatives like salicylic acid or the natural remedy celandine, which can help with warts caused by HPV. While treating the symptoms is important, addressing the root causes of skin tags and warts is crucial for long-term prevention. By addressing factors like insulin resistance and estrogen dominance through lifestyle changes, such as adopting a healthy diet and incorporating intermittent fasting, you can reduce the likelihood of these growths returning. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well.